Hey, good Wednesday afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's market SITREP or situation report at Top Gun Options. My name is Matthew Buckley. My call sign is Wiz, and what an epic day today. This afternoon at high noon Eastern, my partner Lee and I and our operations officer, Ponch Rivera, we knocked out a brief on our No Fallen Heroes opportunity. We gave a debrief of the previous 4 months, what we've done to date, how we save lives, how we're going to save veterans' lives moving forward, change the narrative on entheogen therapy. Man, just what an absolute blast. Got great response. Limited opportunity, folks, between now and Friday. We're going to take another round of angel investors to take our project to the next level, man. If you did not get a chance to attend, you have to shoot me an email, wiz@nofallenheroes.com. Not blasting this out to everybody. This is not open to everybody to invest in our No Fallen Heroes project. We're keeping this tight and close to our vest. So if you want to try and help us save lives and invest in our project, just shoot me an email, wiz@nofallenheroes.com. I'll send you the replay and I'll send you the angel form. But like I said, great feedback, and we just could not be more humbled, more honored with everything that's going on in this project, man. It is my life passion for the rest of my life. There's no more noble purpose on the face of this planet than saving lives. I was trained to take lives. Now it's time to save some lives. Other than that, Ms. Lincoln, how was the play? The play was fantastic. Why? Because before I jumped on the brief right here and right here today, what did Wiz do? Well, let me pull up the S&P 500. Close enough. That's what Amazon looks like. Look at this, the S&P 500. There's where the market opened right there. I'll say it right here and right here. What did Wiz do? I sent 2 bear call spreads out to my members. So yesterday we did a bear call spread that made $2,600, and today I did another bear call spread that's making $2,400. What's that? 4, 6, about 5, 6 grand. 2 days, 2 trades, max profit, man. We are having an absolute blast. Trading this market here. Month to date, we're up $5,500 in those SPX trades. Let's go look at the weekly options portfolio here. Look at the trades that we did today. Where are they? Look at this. Month to date, what is it, 23 days in February? We're up 32 grand trading the S&P 500, some volatility, goog, and some other stuff in here. Sent this one out today, folks. Look at this. Sent it at $1.70, closed it at 55. Are you having fun? Are you having fun trading this? What did I tell you is going to happen? I told you this was going to happen. Do not email, text me, and ask when there's a bottom in this market. There is no bottom. Or actually, no, there isn't. You want me to predict where this market's going? Let's do a 1-year chart. Are you kidding me, Wiz? No, I'm not. How about a 2-year chart? How about right there? Folks, between where we are right now, this is an incredibly big drop to the highs of Jan 2020. Are you kidding me, Wiz? Oh, I'm not kidding. This rip your face off rally is fake. This rip your face, remember, folks, the market is not the economy. The economy is not the stock market. But the two lines intersect. The market and the economy, those lines, the market going straight up and the economy sucking, we're about to have a reckoning, folks. This delta rate here is going to be extremely painful for you, profitable for guys like me. Markets go down a hell of a lot faster than they go up. I didn't think, on my bingo card for 2022, I didn't have fascism in Canada and a Russian invasion in Europe and a rebirth of the Soviet Union. That's what's happening on top of raging inflation here in the United States. Folks, we are, and again, you see this time period right here with the market just going straight up? Everybody's a genius. All the kids sitting on the Robinhood apps in their parents' basement with their government stimulus checks. Now is when you make your money as an investor, as a trader. Men lie, numbers don't, man. There's my order from today, $1.60. I sent this bear call spread out at $9.49. I could have closed it an hour later for an 80% profit. Like $2,200, whatever it is. I kept it on here right now to show you. I made another $400. I kept it on here to do this video. 100% profit in this trade, $2,400. Absolutely love what's going on here. If you don't love what's going on here, you're doing it wrong. I told you this was going to happen, man. Sophomore year of Joe Biden's presidency, bear market, recession. Nailed it. The NASDAQ, ladies and gentlemen, is off 19% from its high. That is officially 1% away from a bear market. Who told you that was going to happen? I did. And it's going to get, folks, we haven't even started going downhill yet. And if that terrifies you, please reach out to me and learn how to, matter of fact, reach out, join us Friday, man. Bart, I'm going to open up the doors to the public to do Bart's brief on Friday. Friday at 10 a.m., Bart's charts, our Tomcat chart service. You should see Bart over here in the Lifetime group, the Max Afterburner group, man. He is these Apple charts, these 2-hour charts, all the stuff that Bart's doing in here is blowing me away. This guy, with the charts that he's doing and showing us where things are going and going next, it is. You guys know me well enough by now. I used to think all this was bullshit. God dropped Bart into my life exactly at the right time. He and I did the medicine a month ago. This former Tomcat guy, 500-pound brain, man. The shit that he is putting out will change your life. On Amazon, I've been trading the hell out of this. I'm stunned. Actually, I'm not stunned. There are no such things as coincidences, guys. This is God did all this. Join us Friday at 10 a.m. for Tomcat charts. Where's the link to sign up? Well, how about this? If you signed up to attend his free brief last week, you'll get emails to attend on Friday. Why am I doing that? Because he had a little tech issue. He did 50 push-ups for me last week, and so I'm going to this one's on me. We're almost full. The service is almost full, but I'm going to open up the door since we had some tech issues. But guys, this is going to get worse. This is a Tom Clancy novel on the Drudge Report. Navies maneuvering in the Mediterranean. NATO jets at high alert. Full-scale invasion within days. Tanks, forces moving in. Massive cyber attack. Let's go, Brandon. Unbelievable. Reservists drafted in Ukraine. State of emergency. Biden's first round of sanctions failed to shock. The dude mumbled through a speech, squinting at a teleprompter. Mr. President, do me a favor, just a personal request. Just turn the teleprompter around so I can read it. It would be less annoying. That's leadership, folks. I'm going to send Kamala to Europe. She'll sort it out. She hasn't even been to her own fucking border. Well, let's send her to Europe. What a joke. This isn't funny, folks. People will die. Tens of thousands of people are going to die. Weakness invites aggression. You think that dude in the White House projects strength? If you do, you're the problem. This is the Russian ambassador, man. They are playing Joe Biden like a fiddle. So the limp-wristed sanctions that he placed yesterday, were a joke, literally a joke. The Russian ambassador has our number. We're screwed, folks. He warned ordinary Americans. This guy's right, by the way. Oh, my God, you're a Putin plant, whiz. No, I tell the truth about things. This dude's right. He said what? I don't remember a single day when our country lived without any restrictions from the Western world. We've learned to live under your sanctions and restrictions and not only survive, but also develop our state. And then what did he say? He's like, guess what? There's no doubt that the sanctions imposed against us are going to hurt global financial and energy markets. The United States will not be left out, where ordinary citizens will feel the full consequences of rising prices. The dude is right. You think your gas filling up your tank's expensive now? Wait until $200 a barrel oil. Folks, we're screwed. They are paying, these guys are playing fifth generation warfare here, and Mumbles McShitty Pants Biden can't even string a sentence together. You bullish on any of this? People email me like, when's the market going to bottom, Wiz? It's not. Shift your strategic mindset, man, and pound this thing into the dirt. As I'm talking to you right now, the market's imploding even further. Amazon at $2,900. The S&P 500 has about 5, 10, maybe even 15 more percent to go to the downside. And guess what? I'm going to miss the rebound. What are you talking about? When someday, not in the near future, this thing kind of rebounds, I'm not going to believe it. I'm going to sit here, eat my popcorn, and wait for a sustained rebound. Ladies and gentlemen, The Federal Reserve, as me ranting to you right now, is still pumping money into the market. We are on fire from inflation. Everything's going bad, and the Fed is. I warned you. This is the Fred Sanford moment. When the Fed is pumping to save and prop the market up, and it doesn't work. This is the day, folks. For years, if you followed me in 2008 when I started the Options News Network, I did this rant, folks. I was at ground zero in the financial crisis. I was literally in the Board of Trade, the CBOE, the Chicago Board Options Exchange, when the VIX hit 90. I was at ground zero, and what did I say? Let it burn. I said, George Bush, the druggy one, jumping, and Paulson as Goldman Sachs Treasury Secretary, jumping into safe capitalism was the worst thing they could do, because it's not capitalism if you jump in to save it. So that's why when people are like capitalism doesn't work, I kind of agree with the socialists when they say it, because we haven't done it. If true capitalism had been tried in 2008, we would have let some of the banks fail. And some of you, your accounts would have been at zero. Guess what? The 92-page agreement you sign when you deposit money or put a brokerage account in there, it says that can happen. We needed to let that happen, folks. You need me on that wall. You want me on that wall. I warned you in 2008, and here we are. Started my own company to help people fight this stuff. We are going lower and lower. Here's how the market opened this morning. This is what's comical about me. Wednesday, February 23rd at 8:58, as I'm sitting there in my bunny slippers. Stocks, futures, global markets gain. I'm like, oh my God. I told my members last night, I said, sell every rip. Do not buy the dip. What happened? Here's later in the day. U.S. stocks continue to slide over Ukraine concerns. Folks, this is a very, very tactical market. Very tactical. Ain't no looking out a month or 2 months from now. Well, I do. I look out a month or 2 months from now, and it's horrible. So we have two choices. I don't. You don't. The Fed does. Does Jerome Powell not raise rates because of war in Ukraine or high energy prices? So now we're going to have high energy prices and raging inflation. 2 weeks ago, or was it 3 weeks ago, when the highest inflation numbers in 40 years came out, I was my daughter's age the last time inflation was this high. I said, Jerome Powell needs to have an emergency Fed meeting today and an emergency interest rate increase. That would send, first of all, it would help a little bit, not a lot. It's like a Band-Aid on a sucking chest wound, but it would have helped mentally. Jerome Powell, and the Federal Reserve are going to tamp down this inflation. They didn't. They're still pumping money into this market. I warned you a year ago, this guy, we're in the back of this airplane. The engines are on fire. The engines just flew off. There's smoke. We're all going to die. And Jerome Powell's sitting up front. Ladies and gentlemen, everything's fine. Don't worry about it. I'm going to bring this thing in for landing. Russia has our number. They're going to play economic warfare with us. They're going to cyber attack us. But don't worry. Everything's going to be okay with Kamala and Joe. They're on the case, guys. Whew. Anyway, that was a pretty good rant. Let's roll inverted real quick. Let's go negative on the S&P 500. Let's roll upside down. Does that look like a bullish chart? Yeah, we're inverted, so it does. Rip your face off rally. It filled half the gap twice and then ripped higher. Wow. If you were looking at this stock right now, you'd be like, holy shit, man. And look at this. 1, 2, 3. This is a triple top. It blew out the triple top. I'm bullish on it. Yeah, well, you exactly, but except that's the S&P upside down. Now look at it the other way. You're going to be bullish on this, or are you going to be bearish? Folks, trading, 90% of it is emotional. People right now, as I'm ranting to you, are getting calls from phone numbers they've never seen before. Mom, E-Trade's on the phone. I need more money in my Robinhood account. Or I guess it would be E-Trade if E-Trade was calling. You get what I'm saying. All right, man, I'm done ranting. We are having a blast. We are making money, folks, as the market is going down. If you're not doing that, first of all, you don't know what you're doing. And second of all, you're not an options trader. As an options trader, we can potentially print money no matter if it's going up, down, or sideways. And I just showed you, men lie, numbers don't. In my personal account and in my model portfolio accounts that we do in full throttle, we're printing money as the market goes down. Get on board now, folks. This is like the COVID crash. People were beating down my door in the COVID crash. That's why I wrote a book. Or are you just going to sit here and keep trying to buy the bottom here and step in and maybe, oh, now's the bottom, now's the bottom, now's the bottom? Nope. Make sure you check out Bart's charts on Friday at 10 a.m. I'm opening the doors for free. And if you want access to this recording about our No Fallen Heroes opportunity brief, a debrief of where we are in the project and where we're going and what we're looking for from investors now, you got to shoot me an email. Wiz@nofallenheroes.com. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see many of you tonight at 7 p.m. for full throttle training. Fights on and namaste.